Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you some solutions that I have found for a technical problem. Watch the video, and if it helps you, I would appreciate your support by subscribing to my channel. Thank you. See you later. Bye. For watching the video. Did the solution help you? If it was helpful, please subscribe to my channel. I would appreciate your support. See you later again. Bye.